On Friday, a total of 28 voters representing 6 families from the ruling BJP and IPFT alliance formally switched allegiance to the Tipra Motha Party. The political defection took place during a joining program held on June 18 in the Khumulwng area, the administrative headquarters of the TTAADC. MDC Gita Debbarma and MLA Biswajit Kalai welcomed the new voters by handing over the party flag. The leaders officially welcomed the new inductees into the party fold by handing over the party flag of the Tipra Motha Party and assuring them equal respect and space within the organization. Speaking at the event, the leadership highlighted that continuous joining reflects the indigenous community's deep-rooted trust in Tipra Motha's ideology and its commitment to the tribal rights.
Ini o jaga Chini nuai auditorium hall kinaro ini kaisa sekonsa no o jaga tini joining program kelime Chini 6 voter ningai 6 family ningai 28 voter tini BJP-IPFT yakarei Chini mod o joining thaipekha kai borno jeng belaikan o khabar kubai lamsugo tini ni o joining program o tongo tini khatsa MLA 12 ta 18 MLA phaichu poja dei Chini local ni joto sector netrito joto tongbayu kai borok payment bagi jeng belaikan khaktan kha agi bo tongmani no Epan boro BJP te tam Chini IPFT omo yakri payment bagi jeng belaikan khaktan kha katongka boro tabu সম্পূর্ণ রূপে বুবাগ্রাম বিশ্বাস সঙ্গে বুবাগ্রামে আইডিওলজি না হামজাগৈ Tipra Motha ni family wo and হামবাই যতন চেক খাবো কইলাম
Bureau report Chini Khorang.